Hello, sir. Can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, hello everyone. I'm Sham Kokle here, partner of New Bharat Hindu Bakery. We are running our bakery business for second generation. My father started in 1951, who is no more right now, and I am managing this bakery for last say 40, 45 years from 1978 onwards. And we are manufacturing all bakery products like laji pav, kadak pav, buns, bread, hari, butter, toast, cakes, and naan katais, biscuits. We also do the job work for housewife. They prepare their biscuit dough at home, and our job is to just bake their biscuits and other product also we bake like cakes and cookies also.
How do you ensure quality?
Quality means we don't have specialized R&D laboratory, but my tongue is a lab. So whatever product comes out after baking, I just test personally, and that is my final lab. The biscuit comes, I take the bite of the biscuit. The khari comes out, I take the bite of the khari. The bread also, the cake also. So almost daily 100 grams, 150 grams bakery product I have to taste it. This is my job as a tester, and this is my R&D, my tongue. For last 40 years, I'm doing the same business job. So how much bakery product I must have eaten?
I can imagine actually.